हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय जगन्नाथ। आज डिस्कसन करवा स्टैटिक जिकर इम्पोर्टाट टॉपिक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। फास्ट पढ़ा यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सबू जाक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन आज आम गोटे क्लास रे करवा। सबू पिला क्लास करने मो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन को ऑन कर दियो, जहाँफल मोर प्रत्येकटी वीडियो सर्वप्रथमे देखिपार एवं पाइपर। पीडीएफ मो टेलीग्राम चैनल रे सबू पिला जॉइन कर। टेलीग्राम रो लिंक मो वीडियो रो डिस्क्रिप्शन रे देजी। वीडियो को फुल देख, जहाँफल 4-5 मार्क डायरेक्ट एग्जाम रे आसीबो। वीडियो को बहुत मात्रा लाइक करो एवं शेयर करो। फास्ट क्वेश्चन देख, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बॉडीज आर नॉट ब्रिटेन वुड इंस्टीट्यूशन। तर आंसर हम यूनाइटेड नेशन। यूनाइटेड नेशन बॉडीज आर नॉट ब्रिटेन वुड इंस्टीट्यूशन। इन जुलाई 1944 द ब्रिटेन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस was organized in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, United States, under the guidance of Harry Dexter of the USA and John M. Keynes of England, in which 44 countries were participated. The purpose of this conference was to regulate the international monetary system, financial disorder. After conference, global institutions such as International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Bank, World Trade Organization, WTO were established. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, इन व्हिच ईयर डिड इंडिया जॉइन द यूनाइटेड नेशन। से कहला इंडिया केते मसीह यूनाइटेड नेशन जॉइन करथिला। तर आंसर हम 1945। इन 1945 ईयर इंडिया जॉइन द यूनाइटेड नेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, यूनाइटेड नेशन वाज फाउंडेड एज ए सक्सेसर टू द लीग ऑफ नेशन और 24 अक्टोबर डैश। तर आंसर हम 1945। यूनाइटेड नेशन was founded as a successor to the League of Nations on 24 October in 1945. United Nations predecessor the League of Nations was established by the Treaty of Versailles in 1999 and was disbanded in 1946. Its official languages are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. At present, there are 193 members of United Nations. Its aim at maintaining international peace and security, protect human rights, and promotes sustainable development and uphold international law. Next question देखो, which among the following is not the founder member of the United Nations। से कुछ आंक भितर यूनाइटेड नेशन रो फाउंडर मेंबर किए नुहे। तर आंसर हम जर्मनी। जर्मनी इज नॉट द फाउंडर मेंबर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन। यूएसए, क्यूबा, फ्रांस एरा सब यूनाइटेड नेशन रो मेंबर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, नेम द इंटर गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट प्रमोट्स इंटरनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन। तर आंसर हम यूएन। यूएन अर्थ होची यूनाइटेड नेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, व्हिच एमंग दिस एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन लिeu ऑफ लीग ऑफ नेशन। तर आंसर हम यूनाइटेड नेशन। नेक्स्ट देखो, द यूनाइटेड नेशन यूनिवर्सिटी इज लोकेटेड इन डैश। तर आंसर हम जापान रो टोक्यो। द यूनाइटेड नेशन यूनिवर्सिटी UNU इज द एकेडमी एंड रिसर्च आर्म ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन। तार हेडक्वार्टर होची टोक्यो, जापान रो टोक्यो हम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तर आंसर हम US रो न्यूयॉर्क। द यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन is headquartered in New York City and established of UNO is 24 October in 1945. The current head secretary general of UNO is Antonio Guterres. Next question देखो, which organization is termed as a child of war। तर आंसर हम लीग ऑफ नेशन। लीग ऑफ नेशन is the organization often termed as a child of war as it was founded on 10 January 1920 following the Paris Peace Conference. Next question देखो, which one among the following language is one of the 6 official languages ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन 6टा ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज अच्छी भर गोटे हूँ चाइनीज। देयर आर 6 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द यूएन। दीज आर अरबिक, चाइनीज, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, रशियन एंड स्पेनिश। द यूनाइटेड नेशन सेक्रेटरी वाज 2 वर्किंग लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, द फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ द यूएन चार्टर वाज ऑन आंसर ऑफ 24 October 1945। द चार्टर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन इज द फाउंडिंग document of the UN. It was signed by 51 nations on 26 June 1945 in San Francisco at the conclusion of the United Nations Conference on International Organization and came into force on 24 October 1945. Next question देखो, how many members country did the UNO have on its formation in 1945? The answer of 51. 51 member country in the UNO have on its formation in 1945. Next question देखो, identify the principal organ of the UN which got suspended in 1994. The answer of Truthship Council. Truthship Council organ of the UN which got suspended in 1994. The United Nations Charter established the Truthship Council in 1945 as one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations and entrusted it with task of overseeing the administration of the trust territory placed under the international truthship system. Next question देखो, FAO is a specialized agency that works on the behalf of a UN. Choose its full form. FAO ର ଫୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ମଟା ହେଉଛି ଫୁଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍। ତାର ହେଡ଼କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଉଛି ଇଟାଲୀର ରୋମ୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଖ, ଦ ୟୁଏନ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ 6 ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଫଲୋଇଂ ଅର୍ଗାନ୍ ଡଜ୍ ନଟ୍ କମ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଇଡି। ତାର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ଫୁଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଖ, ଦ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ ହାଜ୍ ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନ୍। ତାର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ 6। The United Nations has 6 principal organs. Next देखो, which of the following is not a part of the UN? The answer of the State Council. The State Council is not a part of the UN. Next question देखो, United Nations Development Program जोटा कहते UNDP was founded in the year dash. The answer of 1965. United Nations Development Program UNDP was established on 22 November 1965. Its headquarter is US Newark. It has a 170 member country. Its main objective is to provide financial assistance to industrial extension program. Next question देखो, the United Nations Development Program UNDP focus on dash. The answer of on solution to the challenge of global development. Next question देखो, what is the full form of UNDP? UNDP ର ଫୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ମଟା ହେଉଛି ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ। ତାର ହେଡ଼କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଉଛି ୟୁଏସ୍ର ନ୍ୟୁୟର୍କ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଖ, ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ ଜେନେରାଲ ଆସେମ୍ବଲି ପାସ୍ଡ ଏ ରେଜୁଲେସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଇୟର ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ ଫର୍ ଇଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିସିଂ ଦ UNIDO। ତାର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ 1966। On 17 November 1966, the United Nations General Assembly passed Resolution 2152 establishing the United Nations Industrial Development Organization जोटा कहते UNIDO। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, which treaty was imposed by the 5 nuclear weapon powers and 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council on the rest of the world in 1968? The answer of non-proliferation treaty. Next question देखो, generally in which month does the United Nations call its full General Assembly every year? The answer of September. United Nations was established in 1945 under the Charter of the United Nations. The General Assembly occupies central position as the chief deliberate, policy making and representative organ of the UN. It is composed of all 193 member of the United Nations. Next question देखो, how many members are there in the Security Council of the UN as of October 2020? The answer of 5 permanent member and 10 non-permanent members. As of October 2020, there are 5 permanent member and 10 non-permanent member in the Security Council of the United Nations. The 5 permanent members are USA, Russia, Britain, France, and China. And non-permanent members are elected for 2 years. India, for the 8th time, has entered the UNSC as a non-permanent member in 2021. Next question देखो, in the United Security Council there are 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members. अब ये छाड़ लेगी. Next question देखो, what is the term of non-permanent members of a UN Security Council? The answer is 2 years. 2 years is the term of non-permanent members of a United Nations Security Council. Next question देखो, which of the following country is a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council? The answer is China. Next question देखो, which of the following country is not a permanent member of the Security Council of United Nations? The answer is Canada. Russia, France, China, UK, USA एरा सब जाक कौन परमानेंट मेम्बर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, हाउ मेनी नॉन परमानेंट मेम्बर्स डज द UN Security Council have? तार आंसर हम 10. 10टा हूँ नॉन परमानेंट और 5टा हूँ परमानेंट मेम्बर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल लोकेटेड? तार आंसर हम US रो न्यूयॉर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, डिक्लेयर्ड इन द स्टॉकहोम डिक्लेरेशन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर रिलेटेड विथ यूनाइटेड नेशन कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एनवायरनमेंट? तार आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए, क्रिएशन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट कोऑर्डिनेट UN एनवायरमेंटल एक्टिविटीज इज? तार आंसर हम यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटी यूनाइटेड नेशन सब्सिडरी रीजनल हेडक्वार्टर इज नॉट ओपन? तार आंसर हम रोम. द UN is headquartered in New York City and has other subsidiary regional office in Geneva, Nairobi, Vienna and The Hague. Next question देखो, the current Secretary General of the United Nations belongs to which of this country? तार आंसर हम Portugal. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council for a 5-year renewal term. The current Secretary General and the 9th occupant of the post is Antonio Guterres of Portugal. He took office on January 8, 2017. Next question देखो, where is the headquarter of United Nations System Staff College located? The answer is Turin. Turin is the headquarter of UN System Staff College located. Next question देखो, which is not an agency of United Nations? आपको बोधर UN रो कोटा एजेंसी नुहे. तर आंसर हम रेड क्रॉस इंटरनेशनल कमिटी. रेड क्रॉस इंटरनेशनल कमिटी इज नॉट एन एजेंसी ऑफ UN. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द एब्रिविएशन UPU व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू यूनाइटेड नेशन? ताले UPU रो फुल फॉर्म है यूनिवर्सल पोस्टल यूनियन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, द यूनाइटेड नेशन adopted the Charter of Economic Rights and Duty of a State in Dash. The answer of December 1974. The General Assembly of United Nations adopted Resolution 3281 containing the Charter of Economic Rights and Duties of a State on 12 December 1974. Next question देखो, which one the following major organ of the United Nations is not located in New York? ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹବ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ହେଉଛି ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡର ଦ ହିଗ୍. ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋସିଆଲ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ହେଲା, ଟୁଟସିପ୍ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ହେଲା, ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ହେଲା, ଏରା ସବୁ ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଉଛି ନ୍ୟୁୟର୍କରେ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଖ, ଦ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଜୁଡ଼ିସିଆଲ ଅର୍ଗାନ of the United Nations is situated in dash? ତାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ହଗ୍। ତ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଜୁଡ଼ିସିଆଲ ଅର୍ଗାନର ହେଡ଼କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଉଛି ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଦ ହଗ୍। ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମାଇ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍, ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମେଣ୍ଟ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ବହୁତ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ଲାଇକ୍ କର, ସେୟାର କର ଏବଂ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ରଖ, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ସବୁଯାକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବ।